Escape to 7.5 private New Hampshire acres with lane river frontage, mountain views, and a peaceful retreat where comfort meets nature. This is the kind of property buyers search for when they want privacy, usable land, and a setting that feels restorative year-round. Special feature, bringing moving water, wildlife, and seasonal beauty right to your doorstep. A quaint walking bridge enhances the setting with storybook charm, while offering another way to enjoy the property's connection to nature. The 7.5 acres provide room to garden, recreate, keep animals, or simply enjoy having space and privacy in every direction. At the center of the land sits a welcoming 2-bedroom home, supported by a 3-bedroom septic system, offering future flexibility and added value. Inside, the home is designed for easy everyday living, with 2 full bathrooms and convenient main-level laundry. Bright, comfortable living spaces create an inviting atmosphere, whether used as a full-time residence or peaceful getaway. The walkout lower level expands the home's functionality with an office or hobby room, plus unfinished space ideal for storage, work-from-home use, or future customization. With its own separate front entry, the lower level also presents exciting possibilities for guest space, studio use, or a private work-from-home setup. An attached two-car garage adds convenience, while the expanded driveway offers generous extra parking for visitors, equipment, or recreational vehicles. A separate shed provides even more versatility, perfect for gardening tools, hobbies, storage, or creative workspace.